Welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing buffering issues while watching Hulu on your Samsung TV, follow these step-by-step instructions to improve streaming performance. Step 1. Check your internet connection speed by running a speed test on another device. Hulu recommends at least 16 megabits per second for 4K streaming and 3 megabits per second for regular HD quality. Step 2. Restart your Samsung TV by turning it off, unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 60 seconds, and plugging it back in. Step 3. Open the Hulu app on your Samsung TV and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for options to clear cache or app data. Step 4. Clear the Hulu app cache by selecting Clear Cache in the app settings. This removes temporary files that may cause buffering. Step 5. Restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. Wait for the router to fully restart before testing Hulu. Step 6. Move your router closer to your Samsung TV or use a wired Ethernet connection for more stable internet speeds. Step 7. Update the Hulu app to the latest version by going to the Samsung App Store and checking for updates. Install any available updates. Step 8. Lower the streaming quality in Hulu settings if buffering persists. You can adjust quality preferences to match your internet speed for smoother playback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.